Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you also interested in making your Instagram stories look aesthetic with a pretty presentation? If that is the case, you definitely need to add some good music to your Instagram stories. For this, we have a pretty good solution because today's video is all about how to add music to your Instagram stories. Without wasting a minute further, let's get started. Start off with going to your Instagram app. As you open it, click on your story to add your story at the top left. From this section, click on any picture to upload as a story. Click on the three dots at the top right to save the story, or click on the sticker tab. After that, click on music. There will be two options for you and browse. I'll go to the browse. Just select a random song to upload. Here you'll find a lot of options for the Instagram story presentation. You can present your story in different ways with the lyrics, without the lyrics, anything. After you're done choosing, click on the Done tab at the top right, set it up for the presentation, and click on Add Story. The story will be uploaded and looks something like that after it gets uploaded. So yeah, that's it. You're good to go. Let's vibe with it. As you saw, the easiest method to add music to your Instagram stories, now you can easily do that. Also, this will increase your reach and viewership, specifically if your Instagram account is public. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you.